Your assignment is to create visual representations of the 5 types of blood cells. I'm going to show you 4 of them here that we went over, and to write their functions as well. And I'll show you what the cells are, I'll go over their functions, and I will then show you my project when I did this. And in the bottom of this assignment page, there should be examples from when I taught this in anatomy. So this is an erythrocyte, and I'm using this one because it's in focus. I'll show you the other 2 in a second. It is small, so it should be the smallest one. It should be a biconcave disc. So this is concave right here, and you can't really see that on the reflection. So on my laptop screen that has the little version, I can see this is definitely concave. I cannot see it that clearly on either of these. They're both out of focus. So this should be the smallest biconcave disc. Now this is a lymphocyte. And I actually want you to make 2 of them, or do 2 of them, their functions. They attack specific invaders. So I want you to say they attack specific invaders and tell me the 2 types. So the B cells are very good at attacking bacteria, and the T cells, I almost said B cells, are very good at attacking cancer-infected cells and viruses. So you can make 1 lymphocyte, but tell me both the B and the T lymphocyte function. And in general, lymphocytes attack specific invaders. So this cell's a monocyte. I know it because it has a single nucleus, and this should be the largest of them. Monocytes are humongous. As you can see, my screen doesn't even fit all the way, and I have to scroll up a little bit. So this is a monocyte. It's the biggest of the cells. And it cleans up debris, it cleans up fragments from viruses, and it presents antigens, those are cell markers, to the T cells. So you need to put in the presenting antigen part. And this is the 3rd leukocyte I taught you. This is a neutrophil. I'm not 100% happy since these are supposed to be purple and not red. So neutrophils have barbell-shaped nuclei. So not barbell, they have multi-lobe nuclei, 1, 2, 3. And the other 2, the monocyte and the lymphocyte, do not. So this is another monocyte, sort of a U-shape here, a humongous cell. And this is, oops, wrong button. This is another neutrophil. It has purple dots in it. I should be happy. And it has a multi-lobe nucleus. The one cell I don't have is the thrombocyte, the platelet. Those are little tiny, like spiky fragments of cells. So either do a little tiny dot or do the fragments, or like a spiky punk rocker. Okay, so my example. So this one is out of focus. As you can tell, you guys are the first class that actually does the thrombocyte. This is my, oh, there it goes. This is my erythrocyte. See, I sort of made it concave, so it's smaller in there than out here. This right here is my neutrophil. It has a triple lobe nucleus, and that's purple sprinkles in there. These are 2 lymphocytes we haven't learned. That's an eosinophil, barbell-shaped nucleus red, basophil, barbell-shaped nucleus blue. This is the lymphocyte. I used chocolate for the nucleus. So you can see here the lymphocyte is the same size almost as the erythrocyte. And the monocyte is the biggest. So these were mine. They were Scottish shortbread with buttercream for the cytoplasm. It was a sugar bomb. So again, I'm looking at size. So the lymphocyte's the size of an erythrocyte. The monocyte's the biggest of them. So again, here's my neutrophil, multi-lobe nucleus, purple little grains. Notice the monocyte and the lymphocyte didn't have those. And here's a close-up. So I colored the buttercream red to get it so it has a barbell-shaped nucleus. Hey, this is my first attempt at this. Give me a break. So again, I will give you extra credit if you are creative. If you use food like this, please eat the food. Don't waste food. I'll have you know these sugar bomb cookies lasted a total of 10 seconds after I took the pictures. So the food definitely wasn't wasted. I did not eat. I ate one that was so rich. Okay, so that's what you do. Thank you.